Alright, this is Andrew with Jota Home Inspections. We are doing a sewer scope today here in Lehigh. We're at 91 North, 300 East. Today is June 24th, 2026. Now we've got the camera pushed out 83 feet to the city connection. Now we're going to pull it back and record it and see what we find. This is probably going to be one I'll need to rewatch on my computer. I've got the sun glaring on my screen, so I can't see as much. There's a piece of waste that fell off the side of the pipe. One of the main things I'm looking at is for any standing water. Like right there. A little flat through here. You never want to have any standing water because that indicates bad grade. And when you have bad grade, waste is more likely to build up and get stuck. And if enough waste gets stuck, it can create a blockage where it backs up into the house. And that's what we're seeing here is bad grade. Starting to come out of it. I think this is transite pipe, which is cement asbestos. Now we're transitioning to cast iron. I feel like the cloud shifted perfectly so I can see my screen a lot better. This is cast iron, which gets real rough and rusty over time. It will eventually need to be replaced. You can clean it and that'll make it smoother, but it'll eventually still need to be replaced. And one tough thing with cast is that we can look at it with the camera, but we can't see how thick it is. And so you can clean it, but you don't know whether that's going to help or whether it's going to blow a hole through it. Now we're coming up the stack. And this sewer stack is actually Orangeburg. So Orangeburg is like cardboard. It didn't look like the sewer itself was Orangeburg, but the stack is. Orangeburg is made out of paper and tar and asbestos, and over time it can get real soft, and if it's used as a sewer and it's holding water, especially like yours is, it gets real soft and it starts to collapse. Luckily, I think it's only used as your sewer stack. I don't think it's actually being used as a waste line. Otherwise, that would be a much bigger concern. Cast iron has its own host of problems, and so it's also not great, but in some ways, I think I would prefer cast iron over Orangeburg. I'm going to end this recording now. Actually, last thing I'll say, I would recommend the insurance on this line. You can get HomeServe, and that'll help offset the cost if there's a bigger issue and the line needs to be cleaned. I'm going to end this recording now.